Sweeping decision from a federal judge striking down all of Obamacare. President Trump calling it a great ruling for the country. But what happens now for the millions who rely on Obamacare for health insurance and for covering pre-existing conditions? Here's ABC's Ariel Reshef.
Tonight, health care for millions could be in jeopardy after a blockbuster decision by a Texas judge putting Obamacare in limbo. The president declaring victory at a congressional gala.
I believe we're going to get really good health care. Exciting things happened over the last 24 hours.
The Affordable Care Act struck down on Friday night. Republican governors and attorneys general from 20 states challenging the individual mandate. The judge, a George W. Bush appointee, ruling the requirement of coverage unconstitutional. Democrats swiftly condemning the move.
It once again puts the Republicans in Washington on the spot. If you're going to take away the Affordable Care Act, how will you protect the millions of people currently using it for health insurance for their family?
Moderate Republican Susan Collins today skeptical the judge's ruling will stand.
The judge's ruling was far too sweeping. He could have taken a much more surgical approach and just struck down the individual mandate and kept the rest of the law intact. I believe that it will be overturned.
The decision coming just ahead of the Saturday deadline for open enrollment in most states. Government officials scrambling to reassure people that their coverage will not be affected for 2019. But future health care for 17 million Americans now in doubt.
Well, I'm worried about our whole family, honestly.
Janine Reed says Obamacare saved her family from financial ruin when her son was diagnosed with a brain tumor.
Medical bankruptcies are a reality. And they were a much bigger reality before the Affordable Care Act.
Democrats tonight vowing to appeal. The case could eventually land at the Supreme Court and back in the hands of the president and Congress.
If the Republicans and the Democrats get together, we are going to end up with incredible health care, which is the way it should have been from day one. And it's going to happen. It now has a chance to happen.
Ariel Reshef joins us now in studio. And Ariel, to be clear, those who have Obamacare, they're not going to lose their health insurance come the new year, correct?
A lot of people worried about this, Tom. The judge did not issue an injunction in his ruling, which means for now, those enrolled in Obamacare will not be affected. But if this ruling is upheld by the higher courts, it could change that. Tom?
All right, Ariel, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.